How did your parents lie to you? When I was little, my mom and dad used to tell me that at night the night mice who lived inside the walls of our house would come out and protect me from bad dreams. But for them to do that, I would have to prepare a bowl of pistachio nuts and peanuts. So for several years, almost every evening, I sat there for hours, cracking and peeling nuts until my fingers hurt and put the bowl on the living room table. The next day, the nuts would be gone, and I felt all happy and content. One day, I asked whether there really were any night mice inside our house, and my dad had to start laughing. From that day on, I knew that they had been using me as a nutcracker so that they could watch movies eating nuts while I was asleep. But it was okay, he said, because I was happy about the mice eating the nuts and having no nightmares, and they were happy too. One day your kids will find out that you've lied to them, and for that day, you better prepare some good explanations.